After the rain, the snails and the slugs come out to play. And I've also spotted a worm just there. It just stopped raining like 20 minutes ago, so I thought I'm gonna come out and see if I can find any creatures that like the dampness. And there you go. And there's two more there. Hi guys. You're doing quite some acrobatics on there, aren't you? And there's some teeny tiny ones. Oops, there's one. And I can see two more there. Now, where is that slug? There you are. Absolutely beautiful. It looks like a panther skin. I've never seen one like this before. Beautiful. Okay, let's see you as a whole. And the snail is there. And there's another one. And let's find some more. And there is another one. They're all big and beautiful. Oh, there's a beautiful one there. Hello. I can see you in all your glory. I can see some broken glass around you, so be careful. Look at you. Wow. And I spotted some others. Let me just show you. There's more. Oopsie. Up on the tree trunk. Beyond the mesh. Look. And you can hear the cricket song of the evening. Now, where were you? Oh dear, I almost stepped on one. So that was the shaky bit. And back to you. I'm gonna call you Panther Slug. It's the first slug I've seen this year, because we're still in fairly early spring here, and creatures that just started coming to the surface. I'll try to keep my hand steady. Look at that, the texture, the skin, the antennae. Hope you can see the other two little ones under there as well. It's about 10 centimeters long. Absolutely beautiful. And back to you, little buddy. Now, is there anybody else I've not spotted yet? And another one. So it looks like there's a whole clan of snails living here. Okay. Bye guys. And bye. Where are you? There you are. And look, It's almost a perfect camouflage with the pebbles. Okay, that's it from the slugs, the snails, and the worm we've seen. Bye!